Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I love 164. So I've been waiting to unbox all these because I was waiting for them to arrive in different assortments, and now as I have them, let's unbox them one by one. So first we are going to do the unboxing for McLaren 720S Spider in Mantis green color. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put them aside. This is a really nice bright green color. And actually, I usually cut these boxes before the video so that I don't have to do more in the video, you know. Here's the car. This McLaren looks really nice in this color. I mean, if you're having a McLaren or a Lamborghini, these bright colors are just damn good. We have a number plate here with 750S on it. I really like the wheels. I really like how Mini GT actually make these cars. They put everything in them. There's a small badge of McLaren on it. There are some detailings on the bottom of the car. And look at this interior. The black interior looks so cool. And what I really love about these Mini GTs is that they roll perfectly. I mean, what's the point of having a diecast car if it doesn't roll? Next one is McLaren 750S in McLaren orange color. Wow, so here's another bright color for a supercar, or hypercar I should say. This is really cool, really cool. We have the badging here also for 750S on the number plate. The wheels are different on this one and they goes perfect on the car. Again, there is a logo of McLaren. I'm not able to zoom that much my camera. Again, the detailings I think are approximately same on both the cars. Yeah, they're same on the bottom. And what I really like in this one, that they gave all the carbon fiber details here and on the front, and also this rooftop. It also have carbon fiber detailing on it. I mean, oh my god, they don't miss anything. Mini GT don't miss anything. Again, this rolls good. Rolls perfect. And this one is the most desired casting of McLaren F1, especially in the Gulf livery. This one is from the 1996 Le Mans, 24 hours. Look at this one. We have on the badging here, there's a UK flag on it, powered by BMW, the Michelin logo on the tires. Just a moment, let me adjust the camera. Oh my god. Look at this. The curve, Michelin, Top Gear, everything is on top. Rear is really nice as well. And so we don't have much detailing on the bottom. It's a racing car, so definitely. But I really like this exhaust system with the 4 exhaust on it. And I'm not able to read exactly what's written. It's Scenic something? Not sure. There's a curve on the spoiler and then BMW logo. It's so detailed, so perfect, and okay, so it's cleaning. Now I get it, because it's on the windshield as well. And this one is so realistic and so beautiful, and we have all the logos and badgings here also on the bottom. I'm not able to read them. They're so tiny. Let me know if you are able to read all these details, and let's see if this one rolls. And yeah, I missed this one. This scoop on the top. Look at this. I like this casting a lot. A lot. So what do you say? It's gonna roll? I say it is. And it looks so perfect. So perfect. I think I should place this one here. So let me know in the comments what do you say about these 3 cars. Which one is your favorite? Mine is the McLaren F1. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Goodbye.